Hello guys, I'm here to talk about the talkback feature, how to fix it in OnePlus mobiles. If you have such problem, then first just open the mobile phone, swipe upwards by two finger, then select this and use the password. Then go to the settings. Rather you can uh, off the settings by two steps. Rather you go to the accessibility or you can search it. First you have to move upwards by two fingers, then click on settings, then type T on the search, or you can go to accessibility to search talkback feature. First you have to go to talkback feature and click two taps on it, and here it shows talkback feature. Click on one time to select it, and to open it click two taps, then go to the talkback feature one time and click two times to off it, and then it shows tapping stop will stop talkback feature. Click on stop and then click two times. It will surely off this settings. Thank you for watching.